Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and many of my friends are wanting help setting up emulation on their Steam Decks, and honestly, I got tired of helping everyone individually, so I'm just going to make one single video that everyone can follow along. So first of all, you're going to go here, and you're going to click on Power. Next, you're going to go over here to Desktop, and you're going to switch to the desktop. So it will eventually just start booting into the desktop. It might take a second. Okay, once you have booted into your desktop, I assume you already have EmuDeck installed. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Firefox, and we are going to type in eden-emu.dev. Not deck, dev. So right here is the official website for Eden. You're going to scroll down to download, and it will bring you to the downloads. They also have a Discord server if you'd like to join it, if you want to submit bugs or problems you have with a game. Make sure to follow the rules of the server when submitting that. Make sure to read all that, so make sure you do it right, because, you know, it'll help them out a little bit. I think they also have a donation on their stuff there if you want to donate to help them out a little bit. But anyway, we're at Eden version 0.1.1. So pretty much you can scroll down and you need to download the version that you need. There's a lot of different versions here, but we are interested in the Steam Deck version. Now there's two files, GCC and PGO. We're going to download PGO because it gives us a 5 to 10% increase in performance. So a little bit of performance boost. So we're going to click on that and we're going to download it. Now, I already have it downloaded, so we have it right here. Now, I do recommend, if you already have Eden installed, back up the app image just in case, because you never know. Who knows? Maybe a game won't work with this new version. Bugs happen, problems happen. Having an older version of Eden backed up doesn't hurt you at all, unless you need that extra few megabytes of space. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to rename it. So you can just right click on it, rename, or you can click F2 and you just name it Eden. There we go, that's it. Then we're going to drag it over here and we're going to move it here. Overwrite. There we go. Eden is now updated. Now, how do you add it to Steam? Well, this is actually pretty easy to do. You just go to EmuDeck, double click on this, and it will boot up EmuDeck. Now over here on Steam, you're going to right click or use the, I think, right trigger, and you're going to exit Steam. Now you will only be able to use the touchpads to navigate. That's what you need to do. So we're going to go to Steam Raw Manager. If it will boot up. It does take a second to boot up. I just accidentally booted up 2 windows. So we're going to close this. And if you don't have it looking like this, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Manage Emulators. You're going to scroll down to the bottom. And you're going to reset configuration and reinstall/update. Once that happens, you should have the same menu that I have right here. Click on Next. You're going to go to Add Games. Click on Parse. And it will show you all of your emulators plus all of your games. So yeah, it will have Eden in here, as you can see, and it will just add everything to Steam. After that, you can actually boot up Steam, and it will all be there. So yeah, just click Add. Now, for your BIOS and games, this is pretty important. We're going to boot up another file manager. We're actually going to full screen it. We're going to go over here to our home folder, and we have the emulation. Over here, we have BIOS, and we have Eden. Now, if you do not have this folder, go to EmuDeck. I'm just going to fluff. Go to Manage Emulators. You're going to scroll down until you see Eden. Then you're going to click on Eden. You're going to reset configuration. After that, you should see in your BIOS Eden. Click here. Put your firmware in here. Put your keys in here. These are where they go. I'm not going to show you the folders for reasons. Next, we're going to go back to emulation, and you're going to go to ROMs. Scroll down till you find Switch, and you're going to paste all of your ROMs in here. Don't paste the updates, only the ROMs. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to apply updates to your games. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Home, back to Applications, boot up Eden, click on Install Files to NAND. Once you click this, it'll bring up a file manager. Go to where you have your DLC and also your update files and select them, and then click on Add to NAND or install them, whatever it pops up with. I'm not going to bring that up because of reasons, because Nintendo. After that, if it's a new game that you're installing, go back to EmuDeck, boot this back up, and then go to the Steam ROM Manager when you have a new game installed, and then it will add it to Steam. Once you're done following all these steps, all you need to do is go to your library, go to collections, and all of your ROMs will be set up in a really nice, organized way. Now, if you guys are adding other games, you'll have to repeat the whole entire process on how to install your updates and stuff from whatever games you dumped from your 3DS. So, yeah. I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, please like, comment, share. If you're new around here, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.